blessed. So just a short background. I am from Tanjay City, Negros Oriental, a fourth year high school graduate, Japan OFW for 8 years, and a businesswoman. I've been taking lifestyles products for 13 years and 6 months already. No, grabe na, no? Matagal-tagal na. Before, I have myoma, I have almoranas, and I have eczema. But since 13 years and 6 months nang uminom ng products, guwapa na. Agree ba kayo? So, uh, you know what, to our dear guests, when I first attended Hope in Tanjay Negros Oriental, konti lang talaga kami. Naalala ko, dalawa lang kaming guest. But nung nakita ko yung opportunity, nag-decide ako kaagad. So ano yung ginawa ko? Although OFW ako sa Japan for 8 years, baka akalain nyo ha, na marami akong pera nung nakilala ko si Lifestyles. Just to inspire you, when I've met Lifestyles, 5 years na akong hindi nakabalik sa Japan. So pag OFW ka and 5 years ka nang hindi nakabalik, wala ka ng pera, but nag-decide ako kaagad. Ano yung ginawa ko? I pawned my jewelries, tinangla ko lahat ng alahas ko, kulang pa siya. Then I borrowed money and the rest was history. So my first check when I got promoted as executive director, that was October of 2011, was 56,000 with 18 intra-free. And my highest check when I got promoted as a global marketing director, that was September of 2020 during lockdown, was 1.1 million talaga. Alam niyo po ba, 7-digit income is real talaga when we are with lifestyles. Yes, yes, or yes? Yes, so yan. No, locally, nakapag-travel na po tayo almost to all the beautiful places in the Philippines kasi sabi nila, it's more fun daw in the Philippines. But this month lang with all the speakers, nakabalik na naman po ako ng Korea, Hong Kong, and Macau, no? So, I've been to 15 countries already. Grabe, ang sarap-sarap talaga mag lifestyles, no? So, yan, Korea. So, nakita nyo yung mga travels ko. So, dito na-try ko po yung breakfast in Singapore, uh, lunch in Malaysia, and dinner in Brunei. Gusto nyo yun? So, to our dear guests, mag-sign up kayo. Okay? Yes or yes? Then, if you do lifestyles business, promotion and commission will just follow. Ang ganda. Ganda talaga kasi hindi lang to business, hindi lang siya business, pera-pera, but mission talaga to. And pag marami kang na mission, commission and promotion will just follow. Okay, ano pa? And yun, no? Promotion, commission, ayan, nagiging lifestyles, Rising Star Awardee of 2017, and just last January, uh, nagiging awardee na din po ng Loyalty and Dedication Award. Yes or yes? Yes! And ano pa po ba? So yan, acquired property before lifestyles, 3 to 4 times palipat-lipat ng bahay. But with lifestyles, may 2 bahay na po tayo na pinaparentahan, condos, mayroon na din. Grabe talaga. And now, not just dreaming my dreams, but grabe, living our dreams because we are now living in a 12 million, 5-bedroom, 4 CR house along the Millionaires Row, and I am forever grateful to Lifestyles for teaching me how to dream kasi hindi talaga ako dreamer. Ano bang i-dream ng fourth year high school graduate lang, and when I've met Lifestyles, 41 years old na ako, no? So wala na talaga, lapas na sa kalendaryo, kumbaga, sa Bisaya. Yes or yes? Yes! So thank you, Lifestyles, for teaching us how to dream. So ano pa? Yes. So yan, personality growth, which is priceless talaga. Dati ang fourth year high school graduate, takot ako sa mic, takot ako humarap ng tao. And ito, nahiya pa rin ako, but thank you sa training. I've conquered my fear. Grabe talaga si Lifestyles package na maka-income, magwapa, masexy, makatulong personality growth kasi sabi, kapalan mo yung mukha mo para kakapal yung bulsa mo. Gusto niyo yon? Yes, thank you so much. Alam po, marami talaga diyang pareho sa akin, no? Kasi marami din kami dito na high school for graduate lang, but because of lifestyles business, grabe, na ano din namin talaga yung dreams namin. Yan, my big why, my family, may apo na po ako, dalawa, no? Thank you, lifestyles. And what's next, Nate? So, yan, ah, na-inspire ba kayo sa story ko? So our story is our message to the world. So let's make it inspiring by doing what? By doing lifestyles business. Because by doing lifestyles business, we can help more and more people live better every day. So ito yung next slide ko. Sabi dito, fear doesn't stop you, but it wakes you up. Yes or yes ba? Of course talaga. Because successful people use fear as fuel. Ginamit nila yung fear na gasolina. Di ba, ang sasakyan pag walang gasolina, hindi siya makaandar. Grabe talaga. Successful people use fear as fuel that pushes them to work harder and prepare better. It can fuel this determination instead of destroying confidence. And instead of making you hide, it can make you fight. Okay, fight lang talaga. Huwag nating taguan si fear. Instead, labanan natin siya or harapin natin siya. GMD Jo, may mga fear din ba kayo? Of course, yes. Kasi hindi naman kami nagdiretso sa elite or nagdiretso sa GMD. We start din katulad sa inyo, our dear guest. Nakinig din kami, then may fear din kami na ano kaya yung gagawin namin? Okay ba kaya magsanla or mangutang? Ako, hinarap ko talaga yung fear ko because at that time, I have myoma, wala akong pakialam na isanla. Kasi sabi ko sa isip ko, kung saka ko isanla yung alahas ko na nasa ospital na ako, na operahan na ako, hindi naman ibalik ni ospital yung alahas ko. Kaya nag-decide ako talaga. And that decision made me a GMD today. Yes or yes? Yes, so type yes in the comment section below. So do uncomfortable things today for you to be comfortable. Okay. Yes or yes talaga, no? So, sabi dito, if this gets your dream, will it really matter what you paid today? Grabe ang lalim, no? So imagine waking up each day in control of your time. Wala kang boss, no clock, just freedom. Gigising tayo kasi tapos na tayong matulog. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. That's why hindi talaga ako nag-decide na mag-college. Although high school, valedictorian ako, elementary valedictorian, high school top din ako, but wala at talaga akong plano mag-college. Kasi nagbi-business, alam ko kasi pag negosyante, hawak mo yung oras mo eh. Pag makabenta ka na in a day, may 500 ako, pwede na akong matulog, ganun. So masarap talaga. Siguro, hindi siguro kaya God gave lifestyles to me. Nakikita niya yung heart ko na ayoko talaga ng employment. Okay, next, imagine a business that gives you hope. You gave me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. Grabe si lifestyles. Kasi when I met lifestyles, no, yun, sinabi ko kanina, 41 years old na ako, wala na akong dream. Lapas na sa kalendaryo, wala namang magtanggap sa akin. But nung nakilala ko si lifestyles, bringing hope to every home talaga. May pag-asa pa tayo, may pag-asa talaga tayo dito kasi nandyan kayo, nag-attend kayo ngayon. Okay, yes or yes? Yes, so what if you could help others and get paid too? Because here in lifestyles, we succeed by helping others succeed. So our payout just represents ilan katao ba yung natulungan natin. So kung bago pa tayo, kung medyo konti pa yung check-in natin, ibig sabihin konti pa din yung natulungan natin. But just do the mission every day. Dadami at dadami din sila. Kasi nung bago pa ako sa lifestyles, imagine 2 years ako bago ano talaga, nagka-business partner na nag-work din siya. So ako kasi pinot ko yung mission sa heart. Masaya talaga ako pag nagkakausap ako ng tao, and if it makes you happy, then you are doing it right, 'di ba? Pag nasa mission mo, yung nasa puso mo yung mission, masarap talaga ang pakiramdam. Kaya umabot na ako ng 13 years and a half and counting, more and more years talaga with lifestyles, more people to help. Okay. So, imagine being free from cycle of debt forever. May nilagay talaga utang forever. So, lahat naman tayo may mga utang. Like ako, before I start lifestyles, nakatry nga ako na nag-loan ako, ay nagpasa ako ng mga requirements, nagbayad ako, but 15,000 lang yung inutang ko, hindi pa ako na-approve. No? So may mga utang talaga tayo, but the good thing, if nandito tayo with lifestyles, madali talaga tayong makabayad. No? Basta galingan lang natin, trabahuan lang natin. Okay? Kasi sabi dito, imagine having time to fully live, not just work. No? Kasi if employee tayo, we are sentenced daw. Narinig ko kay GMD Eva, grabe no? You are sentenced to work for 40 years. Ma'am Jo, okay lang naman kasi pag matapos yung after 40 years, malaki naman yung retirement pera na matanggap namin. Yeah, although you will get millions, but hindi ka na healthy, hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung millions mo, no? So, may opportunity naman outside employment. Tingnan mo yung opportunity na to. Tingnan mo, kausapin mo yung nag-invite sa'yo. Mahal ka niyan, kaya dinala ka niya dito. Pasalamatan mo siya. Okay. So, thank you, Lord. Na-appreciate ko talaga kasi yung lifestyles business pwede natin gawin anywhere and everywhere, no? So kahit nasa sasakyan, kahit nasa I've tried kasi before nag-lockdown, after gala of 2020 with GMD Eva siblings, after gala nag-Holy Land kami, no? So imagine mga 2 weeks kami, na 2 weeks na walang work, but pag-uwi sa Philippines, lifestyles nandyan. So malubong yung payout namin, 6-digit income. Okay, so anong business, walang ibang business talaga na pa-tour-tour, pasyal-pasyal ka, but pag-uwi mo sa Philippines, bibigyan ka ng 6-digit income. It's only with lifestyles lang talaga. Yes or yes, kasi yung office mo nasa cellphone mo lang. Gusto mo yan? Wala kang boss, no? Walang marites na mag-chismis-chismis sa'yo, no? Okay, so what else? So the only thing standing between you and your dream is the story you keep telling to yourself. At its short, it's all about mindset and self-belief. Grabe, no? So what's really holding you back isn't other people, no. Not lack of time, money, or resources, no. But it's the story you keep telling to yourself. Ano yan? I'm not good enough. Hindi ako magaling. Hindi ako marunong magbenta. Hindi ako marunong mag-talk in front. No. I'm too old. Sa mga bata naman, ay bata pa ako. Hindi ako pwede dyan. Wala pa akong sakit. I failed before. I probably failed again. No, guys, do not underestimate yourself. Change the story, change the outcome. No? Sabi ni GMD Eva, sa kanya ko yan narinig. So from I'm not good enough to I'm still learning, but I'm capable. Di ba mas maganda pakinggan? From I'll never make it to every step brings me closer to my dream. O piliin nyo yan. Di ba mas maganda yan? Every step brings me closer to my dream. Yes or yes ba? Yes. So you have the potential. You have the dream. May dream ka ba? Of course, meron. So change your story and unlock your ability to move forward and make that dream real. Yes or yes? So to our dear guests, sign up. Instant or instant. And let's share our stories to the world to inspire and to help more and more people live better every day. So with that, thank you and God bless us all.